Welcome back, subscribers. It's the best damn barbecue ever. When you see this come out, that's when you know it's smash burger time. So let's get to it. We'll show you how it's done. Let's do the damn thing. Alright guys, so the whole science of a smash burger is that you want it to be nice and spongy. You don't want it super tight like a meatball. And when you put it down, you want this hot enough that you get that sizzle. That's when you know it's going to be a real smash burger. If it doesn't sizzle, it's not a smash burger. Remember that. That's what you want to hear. Raw side up. Season them as soon as possible with D-rub for beef. And if you can keep it together, that just might be the best one of the bunch. All that's doing is frying in its own grease those pockets for them. Alright, they're starting to get that color you want. As you see the brown peek through on the edges, it's about time to flip them. Stuff like this. We'll flip that one first. Quick stab so you keep it intact. And that's a nice smash burger. We're gonna go pepper jack on that one. Boom. Perfect. Could have gone a little longer, so we'll let that one go a little longer. I like that patina. Boom. Ooh, almost. We got yellow cheddar over here, and we got pepper jack. Flip that, get that cheesed. You want to let these roll until you see the cheese start to fold over and start to melt. You want that on basically every side, and that's a good way to really time when you know these are done. That's how I always do it at the restaurant, and I think that's a good little tip. So as you can see, this one's about where you want it. You want this top slice, especially if you're going 2 slices, let that melt too. It just means you're gonna get more crust, and that could never ever be a bad thing. So as that's going on, of course, you get your butter, make some circular dollops, and throw your brioche on. Brioche is the way to go, I can promise you that. Plenty of room on this Pitboss Deluxe Griddle. So don't be afraid to rock out. Put some butter in between. That way when you do the swirl, you got continuous butter. Let's tend to these. Looks like that one's good to go. Perfect. Ooh. See which one we've had on here the most. That doesn't look bad. Beautiful. That's what you want in your life. And time's never a bad thing. If you got your temperature on this, you're about medium to high. You don't want to be too high. That way you can go a little longer. You know you're going to get a perfect little patina on each one. So let's get these off. They're all ready. I can assure you, it is time to eat lunch after seeing these. Whew. That is a shot. Beautiful buttered toasted bun. Ooh. This is gonna be amazing. The best damn barbecue ever. The best damn burger ever. That's just how we do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe. Super simple recipe. Super awesome griddle. Pay attention. Go to our Instagram. Find out how you could win one of these from Pitboss Grills. Big shout out to the team over there. Until next time, guys, it is time for lunch. Best damn barbecue ever.